Are you still presenting your monthly data as a wall of numbers that nobody wants to read? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you exactly how to build a stunning Excel line. When you dump raw numbers into a spreadsheet, your audience has to mentally calculate whether sales are going up or down, and most people simply cannot do that quickly. Start by entering your time-based data into two columns, dates or months in column A and your values like sales figures in column B. Next, click and drag to select all of your data. In the Insert tab, look for the Charts group and click on the line chart icon. It looks like a small zigzag line going upward. From the drop-down, choose the very first option called Look at that. Your line chart now shows a clear upward trend from January all the way through June, and any viewer can see the growth story in under 2 seconds. You just learned how to build a professional Excel line chart that turns raw time-based data into a clear, compelling trend story in seconds.